Hello everyone. As you all know that every now and then we conduct GD classes. So today we are having once again a GD class, but it is in Sisasonda branch, my first branch of Oxford. So students are absolutely ready and they are ready to fire. So today they have a burning topic, and the topic is wine and gutka should be banned in India or not completely, right? This is the topic. So let's see what students speak. So student, let's commence.
Good evening, guys. Today we are here to talk about a topic which is about narcotic things should be banned in India or not. And we are here to talk about this topic. And some are against narcotic things, and some are in favor of narcotic things. So let's see what my team will say.
Yeah, actually, I would like to say about wine. It is a very relevant thing for people, and wine give us means power, and wine give us means wine discard the problem in our means our problem. And like when we take wine a limited quantity, it means it will make us strong and powerful. What do you think about?
In my point of view, I am in the favor of wine should be banned. I would like to talk about the demerit of these things. Both substance. Good evening, guys. I am in the favor of wine should be banned. Both substances have been linked to various kind of diseases, which I would like to talk about. Firstly, wine. Wine can lead to liver damage, liver problems, and in the other side, gutka. It is also known as to cause oral cancer, oral damage, and mouth ulcers, which can damage our oral health. And both substances can lead to addiction, and which have negative impacts on individual and on their parent, on their family as well.
So I am in favor of that, as he said that wine is good, so wine is not good, and I am also supporting that, because wine is the thing which destroy our full body, and many harmful chemicals are added to wine which damages our mouth, internal liver, and it also increase our heart heart attack diseases, and it also increase our cholesterol level, and it also increase the risk for accident, and it also increase hypertension. And if you talk about the gutka, so it contains a nicotine chemical, and means excess amount of taking this nicotine chemical can cause to cancer of liver, mouth, and esophagus, and many other parts of our body.
If you are you are talking about narcotic things. In our locality, there are so many people who has been taking narcotic things since childhood, but they are fit as a fiddle. So I don't think so it will harm them. They are enjoying the things. And about wine, after having wine, they are forgetting their sorrow, and they are enjoying they are enjoying that moment. And in our locality, there are so many people who are working 24/7. They are harming their body. So for betterment their body, for relaxation, it is good for them.
And I would like to say something, and I am totally disagreed with UV and Dayanand point, and I would like to highlight some more points. Like I would like to say about employment wise. And you know very well, India is a modern era, there are lots of corporate sectors, or we are going over there for working, but nobody is happy for their work. And by the help of work, after coming duties, if we take 1 pack, 2 pack, and we are feeling good, what is the problem? And I would like to say something more, employment. Wine give more or more employment. Wine gives in India more or more employment, like excise daroga, excise constable. Only where they are working under the beverage sector, or they are getting lots of money. And I would like to say about the bar and pub. Only wine we are going over there, or when we go inside of pub and beer bar, more and more many person is working over there, like bar dancers, waiters, bouncers, and managers and waiter. They are serving and they are nurturing their family by the help of wine. And you are telling about the diseases. So it is not responsible for only for wine. It is responsible for oily food, junk food, and unhealthy food. What do you think about the oil and junk food? It is yeah. Why are you raising hand on the wine? It give us, when we take a limited quantity, it give us means a sign and mental relaxation. What do you think about Narayan?
Yeah, I'm supporting you, brother.
So in my opinion, I would totally disagree you, as you are talking about. So if we will take in less amount, so it will not possible, because means in gutka and wine, though both contain and by those things you get addicted, and once you get addicted you can't leave them. And you are talking about pub and beer bar, so these kind of things increases employment, but it also increases risk for crimes, and many crimes are happening in this area due to wine and other peoples also, because maximum gangsters and other celebrities are going there, and they are increasing the crimes.
Yeah, I am
Banning, I think so, banning these narcotics things can be the best decision of our government. It can protect our youth from getting addicted to them. What do you think?
actually I am totally disagreed with you. You are telling about the ban should be in India, but I am telling about the Bihar and Gujarat. Means their government had already banned in Gujarat and Bihar. But what do you think? People are not means consuming wine. People are not means taking narcotics things over there. They are giving, means they wanna take wine by hook or by crook. They are they are giving more or more money. Or the means middlemen are working over there, means by the help of wine. If government give a permit over there, means a state government yeah, if government gives permission for means selling wine, by the help of wine their GDP increase, their means employment increase, and their means yes sir, what do you think?
So in my opinion, Prakash bhai, I am totally disagreed with you, as you are saying about the Bihar and Gujarat. They, after banning, they are telling the, and I have already told you that after get addicted, once you can't leave the wine. That's the reason they are means consuming the wine after banning, and in Gujarat and Bihar. And I am talking about means, as you know that the means Indian court judgment and notification banned in 2012 the Food Safety and means Standard Authority of India banned the manufacturing and the selling of the gutka, because it causes oral cancer, tooth decay, and many mouth cancer also. What do you think?
Good, because hospital is getting patients, so I don't think so it will be dangerous for them, because it is a source of income
Yeah, it is
for every sector. Because wine seller is he is also earning money, and a hospital authorities, they are also earning money for a patient. Yeah, it is good for both
I am
sides.
telling you.
What about
You are telling taking. You are talking about the means that the doctors will get patient, so that money is not everything. You are means putting the people's life only due to money. Means people are getting lots of big diseases. You are not thinking about that. You are thinking about only money, that doctors are getting money of that.
And I would like to say something about wine. If wine is really bad, why government and Supreme Court is not taking action against the wine? Why?
I am telling you.
Yeah, no,
I will
you are telling, you are
I am
telling,
telling
you are
rising hand?
yeah, well, and I would like to say about the lockdown. When lockdown era was going on, means maximum people means they are means drinking wine. They means they didn't have any. Yeah, they were drinking wine. They didn't have any type of diseases. And whatever person they are not drinking wine, they are means they have means they had some hesitation, or they means they got they means they got fallen in bed, and they don't have any means.
I don't believe that. It only due to means their physical health. Some people have means good physical health after drinking wine. They don't get harmed, but some are having means low physical health. They get means totally harmed by drinking, consuming one bottle of wine.
And in spite of listening everything, and my friends and my opposition friends, and my concern is wine shouldn't ban in India. Shouldn't be banned in India. That's it.
Well, fantastic. You all guys have done a very good job, but still you need to improve yourself. Bring some logical points, because 50, 60, 70% you spoken well, but I was looking for something more special. So when next time you come, so bring something special. A slightly mistake you committed, but it is a part of life, right? So not to worry from your mistakes. Keep making mistakes. Mistakes will increase your experience and experience will decrease your mistakes. So good, very nice.